Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa umuthi Irungu Kang'ata niarikia kwariria bururi. Irungu Kang'ata is very wise. Irungu Kang'ata auga atiriri, thiini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 27 ndakarugama giti kia gavana kuria mwena wa Murang'a na kiama kia UDA. His current political party is UDA, na auga ati ndakarugama giti kia gavana kuria mwena wa Murang'a na giti kana na kiama kia UDA, his current political party. Igutha inene muno wi Kinara. Kinara nekoretwo ekuo kuria Murang'a wikendi ria yahetukire, umuthi auma o guku Murang'a. And I think icera riri yake ria Murang'a muno ni kugeria ona kurehe Irungu Kang'ata mwena wake, igetha Irungu Kang'ata amuteithiririe kuhura campaign kuria Murang'a, tondu Irungu Kang'ata ni athondekete miri Murang'a. But Irungu Kang'ata is wise. Auga ati ndakarwira giti kia gavana na his current political party na area ni UDA. Guys, rekeni mwikire video no ya Irungu Kang'ata ni gucoka njukererie turore niki Irungu Kang'ata oya ikinya riri, niki governors aria angi kuma Kirima-ini magirwo mafuate makinya ma Irungu Kang'ata, including Kimani Wamatangi. Na mwana gitu kenene muno musubscribe thini wa channel ya podcast. Rekana ukuriko ndakurehera maundu mothe ma politics, agikona wende politics, maundu mothe ma politics ndakurehera guku gwa Kikuyu podcast, kana undu wothe uri uromira thini wa bũrũri wa Kenya ndakurehera guku gwa Kikuyu podcast. Taiguai uria Irungu Kang'ata auga muthenya umuthi hingo ino eta press.
His Excellency the President has always told us that the people are supreme, and thank you for that statement. And therefore, my responsibility is to adhere to what people have told me. And in light of that, and because I've tried my best to have these issues resolved internally, I have had a candid discussion with His Excellency the President, one-on-one, where we shared these ideas, but we did not reach what we call full convergence. I have no doubt to say that after careful reflection, I wish to state that come 2027, I will not defend my seat on the current party ticket. I will later, at a certain stage, communicate the platform which I will present myself to the electorate. However, until then, I will remain a disciplined and committed member of UDA party. I'll continue to serve diligently in my capacity and to cooperate with the national government in delivering development to our people. I will remain loyal to the President and also to the party through the remainder of this term. I do not intend to become the President of Kenya. Neither do I want to become the Deputy President of this country. Therefore, my interest and his interest, they do not conflict.
Guys, makofi kwa Irungu Kang'ata. Wise man, yeah? He is very wise. Hihi nikio Sabina Chege ekoriraga akiuga kwina andu marauma thiini wa mwena wa mutongoria na mateithirio na biacara campaign mwaka wa 2022. Irungu Kang'ata is very wise. That's one of the best decision ever Irungu Kang'ata eka. That's one of the best decision. The biggest decision. Nikki, dogogo. Now, how can you go against the wind? Irungu Kang'ata na amenya tiriri, ona endetwo Murang'a angĩa kiama kiria gitabatie kwina wave eguka na wave iria ekuo ya one term, na wave iyo no imweherie. Irungu Kang'ata ekuingira kiama kiriko? Definitely, from my point of view, no ria nyonete Irungu Kang'ata arorete DCP. Niki dogo ugo gutire intention tuonete ria Wachagua kenda kurugamia mundu na kiama kia DCP kuria Irungu Kang'ata kuringana na uria ekire mathabu make mwaka wa 22 no ngwire kuria arorete. Irungu Kang'ata andikire Uhuru marua akimwira kirima ti kiega. After kumwandikira marua augire wave ni ya UDA. Thaici Mount Kenya region kwina wave ya DCP. Kwina hoteku munene muno Irungu Kang'ata ekuruga DCP. Niki ndauga uguo? Let me tell you one thing. Wave ino ya DCP iguku thiini wa Mount Kenya region. As we speak, Jubilee na strain vibaya sana. DCP ni kiama kiria ugakora mundu araingira na mundu aingira kiama kiu tondu already ni kendekana thiini wa Mount Kenya region, ugakora andu ingi matikahuthira bia nyingi thiini wa campaign ciao. Kuna influence ya Rigathi wa Gachagua, kuna andu ukuria marenda. So that shows you andu aya makakuma na wa DCP matikahuthira bia nyingi thiini wa campaign ciao. Kagoeto te akuria mwena wa Nyanza. The moment wa Raila Odinga, in fact the moment wa Raila Odinga ugwa Raila Odinga wa etosha utire bia cia campaign. Ndio ona kwena andu matarutaga billboard kana kwena ndona mahituka na mundu aruta posters mundu thiini wa billboard mundu printed t-shirt tondu Raila ni ugire we betosha. So the moment mundu aumaha athie na DCP thiini wa Mount Kenya region, I tell you for free, campaign yake igakorwo very cheap tondu uguo tu ndakahuthira resources nyingi, ndagatinda kama billboard na ndagakorwo na kiria na minoga mingi ya weka campaign tondu align na kuria ruhuo rurorete, athie na kuria ruhuo rurorete. Ogikorwo kuwete mabebe momo makwara rege ndika ndoya mumite gicagi wanakuwa makwara ogakua makwara ugathie against the wind, ukoraga makwara macio magakugucia na thutha. In fact no ngiko ukuwete makwara kimurio na urathie kuria ruhuo rurorete, ruhuo rauma thutha waku urathie na guku ukuwete makwara. In fact ruhuo na ta gutindika rwa gutindika tondu kurorete no usukuma. So the moment mundu aingira DCP era UDA kamundu ma UDA tu uko ugithie na kuria ruhuo rurathie. So we na haria urenda gukorwo uko ugitindika uguo na ni ugukinya hau na ihenya. So from the point of view, that's the wise decision Irungu Kang'ata eka. Tondu uguo tu Kimani Wamatangi ni agirwa ran uria Irungu Kang'ata eka, though ona ngirora mwaka wa 22 Kimani Wamatangi athakirie uguo ndeka cia mwisho ni cio aumaga guthie kuria kungi. We have seen it, but all in all aya ni kuma maroma, there will be mass exodus. Irungu Kang'ata ni amatongoria, Irungu Kang'ata ni agwenda karugama na UDA, ni atongoria andu aria aingi mekwenda kwanirira kuria marorete. So this is the biggest decision Irungu Kang'ata eka muthenya wa umuthi. So let's wait and see tuigue kuria karora DCP koni kwa ndona taka most probably tondu Jubilee nayo ndiri na miri, DCP niyo irauga. Jubilee ndiri na miri, Jubilee ina kaida karitu muno ga gwithegea ga kwiyaka igetha enyite stamina thiini wa kirima. So Jubilee bado, DCP niyo irauga thiini wa Mount Kenya region. Anyway guys, ketete tuone wacha tugoje tuone, lakini kwa UDA mambo inawaka. Alimwambia kuma, alimwambia kwa nini direction, especially adu akilima. That's one of the best thing ever. Ule wokole shene Irungu Kang'ata ni atangatha maoni manyu mariko, nyarikirai maoni manyu thiini wa comment section. Nyarikirai thiini wa comment section maoni manyu mariko, inyu murona atia na uhoro wa Irungu Kang'ata murona atia. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you, God bless you.